Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. So last night, Watoni and Brighto were caught having sex. I'm sure some of us are not surprised about this because we've been seeing Watoni giving Brighto the green light all along. Brighto was caught knocking Watoni under the duvet last night. After entertaining themselves with their X-rated games and alcoholic drinks, Brighto retired to his bed where Watoni joined him. While the housemates slept, Watoni and Brighto were spotted under the duvet moving aggressively with his hands and repositioning her to a better position. Wow. So guys, you've seen it. Brighto and Watoni are doing the do. Is it the start of a relationship between them? Recall that during this week's wager challenge, Watoni's poem could be said to be directed towards Brighto, asking him to tell her how he feels. Though it was supposed to be a meta, some people believe it was a message truly directed towards Brighto. And yesterday morning, they were caught in a very compromising position. And to both of them, they said they were playing, but we know what we saw, and this is the end of it. So last night, Brighto had a share of Watoni.